If you want to build some serious strength and size in your back, then this is an absolute must-have in your training kit. This is also our preferred horizontal row pattern for absolute beginners because it puts zero pressure on the lower back. Let's get into it.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Of course, I'm talking about the ring horizontal row. We love this movement because the only other, if we remove machines, we don't use machines in Unity Gym. We teach people to train with free weights, and we like closed kinetic chain movements like the ring horizontal row. So if we remove machines, then we're really left to dumbbells and barbells and rings and pull-up bars. Dumbbells and barbells are awesome. We love dumbbell rowing and barbell rowing, but when you bend over, it does have a great demand on the lower back. And we've had a lot of people come to Unity Gym that were deconditioned, that weren't used to doing weights, and even with a very, very light weight, they got a muscle spasm in their lower back from doing bent over rows. So the ring rows are an excellent way to introduce yourself to the rowing pattern. We're still using the same rowing muscles, but we've got really good core activation with very little to almost no pressure on the lower back, at least no lateral pressure pulling down. So this is a great exercise to get started with. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because the 3 coaching cues that we teach are really important to get right, to make sure that you develop your shoulders and your upper back correctly. And this is a really good movement to help reverse the rounding of the shoulders for many, many reasons. One is because it takes the shoulders through full range of motion. It takes the upper back through full range of motion. And another one is just the strength that you develop in the muscles that stabilize the scapula, that help to hold you in that nice posture that we're all looking for. So stick around and let us know if you like it. If you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments section. If you like our content and want expert coaching, I'd love to invite you inside our free Facebook coaching community, where the whole Unity team and myself hang out, go live, and drop feedback to keep you progressing. Just search UMS Movement Mastermind in Facey, hit join, and I'll even give you access to my incredible 20-minute flexibility routine as a welcome gift.
Ring horizontal row. We use this in phase 1 of the UMS as it is a safe way to introduce rowing into a program. People who are not conditioned effectively can experience muscle strains in their lower back when performing bent over rows. The ring horizontal row is a safe and effective way to avoid this, and the movement will be used in later phases of the UMS, so it's important to develop good technique. The most challenging part of the movement is scapular control. At all times, the scapula should remain depressed or pulled down towards the back pocket. Pay close attention to never let your scapula elevate. If you watch Richard's movement, you can see how the scapula moves through the full range of motion with protraction and retraction, but never elevating. For the setup, note that leverage is what increases or decreases intensity with this movement. So if you bring your feet forward, you increase difficulty, and if you bring your feet back, you decrease difficulty. You will learn where your feet should be after a few reps. Just find the position that allows you to challenge yourself for the rep range you are required to perform for your current program. This will change from each phase of the UMS, so make sure to check your program. Hands should be in a semi-supinated grip. Engage the core and make sure the body is in a straight line from head to feet. Once set up, the 3 cues to think of when performing the movement are: keep your body straight with abs engaged, initiate by pulling the shoulders back and down, be intentional with end ranges.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.